call them con giant of Africa. Mona go call them con. Nigeria said they be giant of Africa. Now they come foolish pass for the whole Africa. The time when I pass route, when I dey call Europe, come on Benin Republic like they, come on Abidjan like they, Mali like they, Abidjan like they. Una so na be giant of Africa. Mona change una way, una change. Coronavirus don't make una know say una go change. If una change like this now coronavirus go kill am. Because when I talk say coronavirus go kill am, una dey buy private jets, una dey buy everything. The time when una people dey for problem now. Now this time I could show say una go help them, make God forgive una all sins wey una don commit right from childhood. Una no wan listen. Una dey carry soldier go dey kill people now. Una dey enjoy for inside una house. The whole money wey you get now as a president, as a senator, as a Ovia local god chairman, the whole money wey una get now, if coronavirus come worse pass this one now, when una wan carry the money go fire be heaven. Una see where una fail, Nigeria government. Una na dey cause disgrace for we wey dey for Europe body o. Una thought say we dey bring disgrace for una, not be we dey bring disgrace for una. Una see am now. Why una go carry person wey don old, wey nearly to die, wey don die, una go put am for president. Una so una get president. Thank God now say we no dey fit dey go anywhere again. Even Europe wey we dey here now, we no dey go work as at now. We dey for house. We no dey pay. They say we no pay NEPA bill. They say we no pay water bill. They say every month they go dey give us money to the chop. The people wey get paper, oh, not be people wey no get paper. What you una can't do for una masses now, Nigeria government? Make una dey change. Animal uniform. You see you. Buhari go dey travel, go dey treat himself for America. He go dey treat himself. The way this is when he enter president, they don't carry go America, go treat him more than 10 times. You know how money where they use? Now where coronavirus don't come. Tell me that they run, they carry other people now they speak for them. Not be that they speak. Oh. So if they pay me for now, I don't know where they pay now. So a good man they shame. Tomorrow now I go travel, so now I can't do meeting for Europe. Europe when you want to do meeting, you know see how they do the road, you know see the hotel where you sleep, they don't see light for it, not be generator, not be generator the shuttle, not be generator the vibrator. Mona change, Mona give una people lights. Mona change, Mona give una better, Mona give una treat them better school. Mona change, Mona give una treat them better care. Now as una they do and so. Una pikin, una they carry they go Europe, they go school. Una they carry una pikin, una they buy big car for them. Car of 200 million or buy for una pikin. Una say make the masses they suffer. The country will forget all year. Una say na come 20 euro for fuel, 20 naira for fuel. Who send una that one? Who send una that one? That 20 naira una they come for fuel. Who send una? Not be that one we ask una. Not before we say mo come. Not be everybody get motor for Nigeria. People they will not get motor, where they tell like the trek. Now this time I'm supposed to help them. Una sit down for his house. Now I say me they go, make they die through away. Una pack soldier come out, make soldier they kill them, they go. That soldier go kill una one day. That soldier go kill una one day. You know why me I they blame our youth? You know why they blame our youth? When I don't take the church to Curtis. Una don't change the tone to Curtis. Now wait there for up. Now be the courtesan. Una wait there for up. Now be the courtesan. Una go to send the small boys. Maybe they kill themselves. Maybe they destroy themselves. Because of now I give the 2,000 naira. Maybe they take chop. Now I give the 3,000. Maybe they take chop. They go to kill themselves every day. Una dey for there. Una say na they enjoy. Una they carry small women for streets. Una they destroy their life. You can't be saying Nigeria now, the whole Nigeria women now, man will not get money, they know they marry, they don't want like suffer again. And that suffer now, they go suffer before they die, all those women. All those women now, where they find big men, they go, and I suffer with their portion before they go die. They don't want to and work, they don't want work, they don't want to learn work. They find man will get money. Now, because what you now, they teach them. You big man will get wife for us. You president will get wife for us. You go to carry small guess where you want to spoil the life. So go the born now. If woman will get for us, no say get woman for us side. Who foolish pass? Now those woman wait for us side. Where you born for man. If the woman where you born for, you not tell your wife for house. You talk say you marry. You say you get picking. You are a foolish woman. I they come for all of you now. I go the narrator one by one. I go they give you a point one by one. Now, coronavirus will come for Nigeria. Now, me I feel come for all presidents, all governor, we don't fair rule, plus the one we did. So coronavirus go kill all of you now. Una go enter plane. Una go come Europe. When I come Europe, una come see the light. Una they walk out and down. When I go fly, go na country. Una no say as the be say na poto na go they pass. Na inside pit hole. As Donald Trump talk, he say that Nigeria is a pit hole. Since when Donald Trump top that thing, I dey shame for myself if I dey waka for street. Una will be president, una will be senator, una not the shame. You not good for now. Una be coward. Me, I not gospel. I not get time for politics before, but this coronavirus when it comes, so I want to start to talk to now. If other people they craze for social media, other people they craze, they don't know how to repair their country. The same way we come Europe, the time when they grow, they come. The same Peking go Europe, say me go let something, make country develop the country. Where we don't come Europe, the one way gospel for inside, they don't fit use their school to develop their country. Me will not go. I fit take my sense and my knowledge to develop that country. To talk to now, to buy the cost now every day. Then we go punish all of now. All the old leader waiting for Nigeria. And when I go to carry soldier, I go to kill my people. Because they not give them food, though. Not give them food, make they eat. Now they carry soldier, they kill them. Soldier, I go kill all of now. They will punish you now. Fulani dey for bush. They kill cow. They kill people because of cow. You not fit talk to them. You not pass soldier go meet them. Now say now people will want to go find food where they want to eat for their daily bread. Now go they take soldier. That soldier come out, they talk and say, he go fuck him mama, fuck him papa. That will go punish that soldier. He go punish person where send you work. He go punish your generation. They will punish all of you now. Soldier will come and say, he go, they kill one soldier. He go, okay, soldier, they kill one soldier. Soldier will keep person. You not to say, soldier will die. They go fuck soldier mama. Now soldier fake kilo. They not to say they will fuck their mama. Now soldier not say he go fuck him mama. Buhari will go kill you. Or go kill your generation. Go kill all the old soldier for Nigeria. They will punish all of you. Thief people. Thief now go kill you now. Susan, I don't want to repair my country for me. I the shame of you now. They will punish all of you now. We work soldiers, we work president, we work governor, we work senate. They will punish all of you now.